Hey guys, it's me Ice, and today let's cook our all-time favorite nating mga Pinoy, ang adobong sitaw or batong. And today, I'll teach you the simplest way to cook this one. So first, igisa natin ang taba until lumabas ang oil nito, then add in natin ang laman and season it with salt and pepper. So while waiting, follow natin ang kamatis, onion, and garlic. Hiwain lang natin ito at ihalo na natin sa tingginisa until lumabas ang aroma nito. Pigilan mo sarili mo, sister. Talaga ang bango-bango nito. At kahit sinong hindi mahilig kumain ng gulay, pag ito ang niluto mo, tsak taob ang kaldero mo, te. Yan! So here guys, pag medyo luto na siya, we can add in the soy sauce or toyo. Then, haluan lang din natin ng kaunting tubig and simmer it for a few minutes. So, while waiting guys, hiwain na natin itong ating batong or sitaw. Then, soak it into the water at ihalo na natin ito sa ating ginisa. Much better talaga, piliin natin yung sitaw na sariwa pa, yung mas bata para crunchy. Pag kinain mo na yan guys, one thing talaga nagpapasarap ng adobong sitaw pag sariwa pa ang sitaw na pinili natin. So here guys, add in some ginisa mix and let it simmer for a few minutes. Huwag nang takpan guys para ma-maintain natin ang crunchiness ng ating sitaw. And here you go! I really can't wait guys. Sobrang natatakam na ako. And now it's ready to serve. Yan, ihanda ang kaldero dyan. Here we go guys, takam na ako. Don't forget to follow my page. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to comment down below. I love adobong sitaw.